So here's how you do finding the percent of a number. So to find the percent of a number, multiply the number by the equivalent decimal or fraction form of the percent. Find 20% of 60. So let's go ahead and write that in. 20%. Yeah, I'm using a mouse. Of 60. And what you're also going to need is your Desmos calculator. So let me go ahead and type that in. You're going to need www.desmos.com/scientific. So you're going to need that calculator. So the easiest way to do 20% of 60 is to go to your Desmos calculator and you're going to type in 20, hit the percent sign, which will give you of, and then you're going to type in your whole number, which is 60. And that answer right there is 12. So that is going to equal 12. So how do you do this as a decimal? The first thing you have to do is change the 20% to a decimal by dividing the percent by 100. So how would you do that on the Desmos calculator? It is 20. Let me back up. 20, hit the division sign. 100 gives you 0.2. And you're going to multiply that by 60. So you would just type that in. 0.2 times 60, which will also give you 12. So how would you do it as a fraction? You're going to make that 20% as a fraction. So remember, in order to make a percent as a fraction, it is P, or the percent, in the numerator, and the fraction in the denominator. So I'll just put P over 100. Or to write it out, let's see if I can write it out. That would be P over 100. And in this case, it would be 20 over 100. And your whole number is 60. So that would be 60 over 1. So let's go ahead and put that in the calculator. 20 divide 100. Now, when you are hitting that multiplication, don't just hit it down here. Otherwise, it's going to come there. So that you don't want. So let me go back. My back button, and I want to put my cursor right there at the fraction bar. Hit multiplication. 60 over 1, or just 60. And there also is my answer is 12. So let me run through 1, 3, 5, and 7. So for number 1, 75% of 16. I'm going to type in 75. Click on my percent. Type in 16. And I got 12. 60% of 30, 30% of 75. So that's 30. Click on my percent. 75. My answer is 22.5. 8%, you got to be careful because it is 8%. And as a decimal, if you remember, we go back 1, 2. And there's a space there, so it's actually 0.8. But if you put it in the calculator, it's pretty easy. So you're going to type in 8. Click on the percent of 95, which is 7.6. And And then 28% of 40, 28, click on the percent, 40, which is 11.2. So from there, I think you got it.